Okay, this trick is called the coin nested box. You're going to show them a coin. Now you have to also convince them that this is going to be the same coin that we use later on. The way to do that is they can write something on there with a black marker, like a little letter or something, or they can put a piece of tape on it and then write on the tape, just so they know this is the same coin for later on. You're going to take the coin. Now I'm going to take it, I'm going to put it in my pocket, so you can show them how you put it in your pocket. I'll put it right in my pocket, and then, you know what? Then you tell them, I changed my mind, I'm going to do something different. Tell you what, let's take it out. Oh, look at this. We have a little green container. We open the green container up. Inside of that is a yellow container. Inside of that is a blue container. Inside of that is a red container. And then you open the red container, and this one has their penny in it. It would be the exact same penny because it would have their mark on it so they know it's theirs. That's a very cool trick, especially since how could it have gotten inside of all of those tubes or those containers? Here is the secret, this little thing. What happens is these pieces all fit inside of one another. Now, these pieces all fit inside of one another. The only difference between the two sides, one of the pieces, whoops, let's see if I can get this out, has a little ledge. And I'm not sure if you like a little rim, and the other one doesn't. I don't know if you can catch that difference, but there's a little ledge, ridge, bump. All of the ones with the ledges are going to go together. So those all go in the same one. And then all the ones without the ledges, or the ridges, go in the other one. You then put them in here. Now the one with the ledges or the ridge goes on the bottom, and the other one goes on the top. If you accidentally get it the other way, it won't fit there. So the one, this set will not fit in on top. So you'll know it right away because it won't go in there. And that's all you do. This is always hiding in your pocket. So what you do is you do the whole thing with them. You tell them, I'm going to take a penny. I'm going to make the penny disappear. Then you put it in your pocket. You say, I'll put it in my pocket. But then you say, you know what, I changed my mind. I'm going to do something different. All you're doing is when it's in your pocket, you put this in there. So that's in my pocket hiding. And then you say, I changed my mind, or anything you want. You just pull it out of your pocket like this. You just lift it up. That shuts. And then you pull it out of your pocket, push it down a little bit so it gets nice and tight. And then you just say, you know what? Look what happened. I have a little green tube or a container. And then you open it slowly and you say, oh, inside is a little yellow container. Inside is a little blue one. Inside is a little red one. Oops. And then you open the red one and say inside of the red one, somehow, magically, their penny is now inside of it. It's a very cool little thing. The thing you have to be careful about, especially with the younger kids, they have to make sure the pieces are matching. In other words, once again, you can't take a blue one with a ledge and put the red one without the ledge in there. It won't work. You have to make sure the ledges all go there. So put them together kind of like a little puzzle. Put it together. Once again, you put this in there. Now remember, if you have the wrong one, the big one won't fit in there, so you have to put it the right way. Whoops, and I have one that's wrong, so I have to fix this. Get this one out. Put this one in there. Okay, get it inside of there. And there you go. Put it in. This is in my pocket ahead of time. I just say something like, I'm going to take their penny. Remember, they mark it up. So tell them to mark it up. In class, you're not going to mark it up, but just get them understanding the concept. And they'll say, I'll put my penny in my pocket. You can say something like, I'll make it disappear, make it funny, like I'm going to make it disappear, or I'll just put it in my pocket. I'm putting it in that little hole now. And then I say, you know what, I changed my mind. I'll pull it out. And you know what, oh, look what happened. It's now inside of all these tubes. And that is a nested coin box. Enjoy.